Hey everyone, Zach Greenwade here at Performance Sport and Spine, and today we're going to go over initial exercises for your upper trap. For the first exercise, we're going to need a light band, and you're going to step on one end, grab it with your arm next to your body, and you're just going to pull up with your trap, shrugging towards the ceiling as high as you feel comfortable for 6 reps. You may need to adjust the resistance of the band, or if it's too stiff or too light, you may need to grip the band a little bit lower or a little higher accordingly. For the next exercise, you'll need to be against the wall. You're going to place your arms straight above your head with your elbows straight, and then using your shoulders and your traps, you're going to shrug up towards the ceiling, pressing your hands up towards the ceiling. We'll do 6 reps in this position, and you want to make sure that the movement's coming from your shoulders, not your elbows bending or your back arching backwards. So make sure to keep your glutes and abs squeezed if that's becoming an issue. Now for the last one, we'll need to be in a seated position with a light weight. This is 3 pounds. Arms straight over your head with the elbow extended, and you're going to press the weight up towards the ceiling and down, making sure the movement comes with your trap and your shoulder and minimizing any elbow bending or movement from your low back. One final consideration with this is that the upper trap often gets villainized for always being chronically tight. So if you start these exercises and the next day you wake up and you're tight or sore, it's not a bad exercise. We just did too much too fast. So you'll need to let the tissues calm down and rest, and then start over again at a lower dosage and then progress over time. We hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe below.